Okay, question 25. We're asked to solve 2t minus 3s equals 1 and t squared plus ts minus 4s squared equals 2. Okay, so these are simultaneous equations. This is a line. We recognize the line because there are no squares in it. And this is some sort of a curve or an ellipse or something. So we're going to just call it a curve. Okay, so a line is crossing this, and we want to find the point of intersection, or 1 point or 2 points of intersection depending. Okay, so the way we do it is we write the line, and because the unknowns are t or s, we write them in terms of t or in terms of s. I'm going to write it in terms of t. It seems to be a little bit easier. So 1 plus 3s divided by 1 sides by 2. So t is equal to 1 plus 3s over 2. So what do I do with this? Well, I replace it in the second equation where t is. Now t happens to be in 2 places, so I replace it in the 2 separate places. So it's going to be 1 plus 3s over 2 squared plus s times t. I'm going to put s first, it might make things a little bit easier. 1 plus 3s over 2, okay, minus 4s squared equals 2. So I'm going to need to square this out. Okay, so this is work over here. 1 plus 3s whole squared equals 1 plus 3s over 2, 1 plus 3s over 2. So how do I multiply fractions? Well, I multiply the top by the top and the bottom by the bottom. So the bottom by the bottom is going to be 4. So I'm going to need to multiply the top by it. So 1 plus 3s by 1 plus 3s. Okay, so split the bracket. One plus 3s plus 3s plus 9s squared. So it's 1 plus 6s plus 9s squared. Now that's all over 2 by 2, which is 4. So that goes in over here. 1 plus 6s plus 9s squared over 4. Multiplying the s here, well, that's s over 1, so top by top. So it's s plus 3s squared all over 2 minus 4s squared over 1 equals 2 over 1. Now, a number of ways to do this. I could multiply everything by 4, because as you can see, if I multiply everything by 4, this 4 is going to cancel. 4 here, there's going to be a 2 left over here. This by 4, that's okay, and this by 4, okay? So this works out to be 1 plus 6s plus 9s squared, multiply this by 2, plus 2s plus 6s squared minus 16s squared equals to 8. Tidying it up, 9 and 6 is 15 minus 16, you're left with minus 1s squared. 6s plus 2s is 8s. 1 minus 8 minus 7 equals 0. So we nearly found what s is. Okay, so I'm going to change the signs. 1s squared minus 8s plus 7. So up here. So I'm going to do this actually very quickly because I'm running out of room. So 1s squared minus 8s plus 7 equals 0. The factors of that are s and s, 7 and 1, minus and minus. S works out to be 1 and s works out to be 7. Now we need to know what t is, because that's the other value we don't know, right? So this is what t is equal to. So t is equal to 1 plus 3s over 2. So if s is equal to 1, I sub it in, so that 1 plus 3 is 4, over 2 is 2. t is 2. And if s is 7, 1 plus 21, which is 22 over 2, which would make it 11. Okay, so the 2 points are 1, 2, and 7, 11. So they're attached in some ways. Okay, that's where the line and the curve will meet.